Hi, Regina here. I'm here to talk about my books to start with. Structure is key to success. Success, what is that? You decide what is success to you. Structure is very important. I have identified that many people fail due to lack of structure in their career, in their business, and also in their personal life, actually. To take care of yourself, you need you to take you where you want to go, I usually say. It's really important. Don't take it for granted. You need you, definitely. So you need to take care of yourself and kick out the bad habits and create new good habits if you need to replace. You need to replace the bad habits with new good habits. And what is a bad habit? Bad habit is something that is preventing you from reaching your goals in life, or preventing you from being who you really are meant to be to reach your success. Very interesting. You can Google it or check out the link in below here. I also have this design your leadership style. It is really like to tailor-made who you are. Not one size fit all or the same for everyone. Since you, since childhood, have picked up different traits or as examples, role models in your leadership style. So you have a leadership style already, but you need to customize it and tailor-made it so it is who you want to be. So you don't think it's something that comes naturally. It's not. So the leadership is something that you need to design. Live by design, leadership by design as well. So it's a really exciting area of expertise. So I really want to encourage you to don't take it for granted. You need to really be cautious and really tailor-made. Who are you as a leader? And why do you need to be a leader? Well, if you have some goals in life, your success perhaps includes a product or a business plan, then you need to have a leadership, since you will be responsible for a team, and you will need to be the role model for that team, and you also need to navigate to reach your goals where you want to go. And you also need self-confidence. I'm a huge self-confidence advocate. Since you need that, it will help you to be more persistent. It will actually help you to start moving towards your goals in life. Many people don't even begin. They don't think it's possible for them, since they lack the self-confidence for it. Self-confidence doesn't mean that you know everything. It means that you know that you have the ability to figure things out along the way. And self-confidence is not a scarcity. And it's actually the opposite. So it's better for you the more people you have around you that have a solid self-confidence, since then it won't be that envy about attention and things like that. It's a more generous approach to life and to success as well. So I really want to encourage you to check out my links. I have coaching, one-on-one coaching for tailor-made coaching sessions online, one-on-one. How to customize a plan and create strategies how you can really reach your goals and to move towards your goals, and say no to things that is distracting you and preventing you from reaching your goals. And also pre-recorded options is much cheaper, of course, since it's more the basics. So the one-on-one is more tailor-made, of course, for you. Don't be discouraged for tough times. It's kind of both a distraction, because many people give up. So if you have a good structure, really take care of yourself despite hardship. It will help you a lot. since you will gain strength from it. That experience will help you to really be persistent, because you know that it's not a walk in the park. So I really want to encourage you, if you feel that it's tough times and you feel like giving up, don't do it. Don't give up. I really want to encourage you to check out my other videos and contact me if you want to have a coach that believes in you. Have a great day.